Unveiling the layers of speeches. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the English language to understand the term speeches. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of what it means and how to use it correctly. Let's get started. Speeches is the plural form of the word speech. A speech is a formal address or talk in which someone shares information, expresses opinions, or motivates an audience. For example, politicians give speeches to convey their views, or students deliver speeches during school assemblies. There are various types of speeches, and understanding them can help you better grasp the context in which speeches can be used. 1. Informative speeches. These provide new information or explain a topic. 2. Persuasive speeches, aimed at changing the listener's point of view or encouraging action. 3. Special occasion speeches, given during events like weddings, graduations, or funerals. 4. Demonstrative speeches, teach audiences how to do something, often using props or demonstrations. Not all speeches are created equal. Some speeches are memorable and engaging, while others might not leave a lasting impression. Here are characteristics that make speeches stand out. 1. Clarity. The message should be clear and easy to understand. 2. Relevance. The content should be pertinent to the audience. 3. Engagement. Using anecdotes, humor, or rhetorical devices to captivate the audience. 4. Structure. A well-organized flow with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Speeches play a pivotal role in society. From historical speeches that led to revolutions to inspirational speeches that have motivated generations, they're powerful tools for change. Think of famous speeches like Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream," or Winston Churchill's wartime addresses. These speeches have not just conveyed information, but they've shaped history and influenced masses. And there we have it. From defining speeches to understanding their impact, we've covered it all. Remember, speeches are more than just words. They're a medium to express, influence, and inspire. We hope this video has provided clarity on the term speeches. Keep exploring the vast world of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!